Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. If you're looking to save more money, get out of debt, and live a financially free life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 10 of Dave Ramsey's top frugal living habits that can help you keep more cash in your pocket. Let's get started. Habit number 1, live on a budget. Dave Ramsey's number 1 rule for frugal living is simple yet powerful. Live on a budget every single month. A budget isn't about cutting out fun or living miserably, it's about giving every dollar a job. When you intentionally tell your money where to go, you avoid the trap of overspending and stay in full control of your financial future. As Dave puts it, act your wage. In other words, don't spend like you're wealthy when your income says otherwise. Budgeting helps you track your spending and ensures your lifestyle doesn't outpace your earnings. This habit alone can transform your finances. Habit number 2, use a zero-based budget. Every dollar should have a job. That's the foundation of Dave Ramsey's zero-based budgeting method, an approach that gives every cent of your income a specific assignment. Whether it's going to rent, groceries, savings, debt repayment, or charitable giving, nothing is left idle or untracked. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Dave says, with zero-based budgeting, your income minus your expenses equals zero, meaning every dollar has a purpose. This habit gives you total control and crystal clear visibility over your finances, helping eliminate waste and bring intentionality to your spending. Habit number 3, stop eating out. This one stings a little, but it's one of the most impactful habits you can build. Stop eating out. Dave Ramsey calls restaurants a budget killer, and he's not wrong. That $12 lunch every day, it adds up fast. In fact, the average household spends over $3,000 a year on dining out. Dave encourages a simple shift. Cook at home. Meal prepping and packing lunches not only save money but also help you eat healthier and stay in control of your finances. Frugal living means making smarter choices daily, Dave says, and eating in is one of the smartest. Habit number 4, buy used cars and drive them forever. Avoid car payments like the plague because, as Dave Ramsey says, a car is a wealth killer. One of his core frugal living habits is buying reliable used cars with cash and driving them until the wheels fall off. No flashy financing deals, no leasing traps, just financial freedom. Dave is clear on this. The only thing worse than a new car payment is a new car payment with interest. By avoiding that $500 a month drain, you free up serious cash for savings, investments, and debt payoff. It's not about impressing the neighbors. It's about securing your financial future. Habit number 5, negotiate and haggle. Most people never think to do this, but Dave Ramsey insists. It's worth it. Always negotiate. Whether it's your cable bill, medical expenses, phone plan, or even the price of furniture, you'd be surprised how often companies are willing to work with you. You'll never get a deal if you don't ask, Dave says. Negotiation isn't about being aggressive. It's about being intentional with your money. Even small discounts can add up over time, putting more cash back in your pocket. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but the best-case scenario could save you hundreds. Habit number 6, avoid impulse buys with the 24-hour rule. Impulse buying is one of the fastest ways to derail your budget, and Dave Ramsey has a simple solution, the 24-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait a full day. That pause gives you time to think clearly and ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just a want? More often than not, the urge fades, and you realize you didn't need it after all. Patience equals savings, Dave says. This one habit alone can save you hundreds, if not thousands, over time, by cutting out emotional, unnecessary spending and keeping your budget intact. Habit number 7, sell stuff you don't need. Dave Ramsey's mantra is simple. Sell so much stuff the kids think they're next. Clutter isn't just taking up space. It's tying up money that could be working for you. That old guitar collecting dust, the extra TV in the garage, or clothes you haven't worn in years, they're not doing you any favors. Turn them into cash and throw every dollar at your debt or savings goals. Selling unused items not only declutters your home, but also helps build momentum on your financial journey. It's a quick, practical way to make progress and lighten your lifestyle. Habit number 8, use the freezer and leftovers. Wasting food is the same as wasting money, and Dave Ramsey doesn't let either slide. One of his key frugal living tips is to get smart with your meals. Freeze leftovers and repurpose them creatively. Every bite you throw away is money in the trash. Dave says, instead of letting extra food go bad, use your freezer to extend its life and plan future meals around what you already have. Leftover chicken can become tomorrow's stir-fry or soup. A little kitchen creativity goes a long way in keeping your grocery bill down and your budget right on track. Habit number 9, DIY whenever possible. Dave Ramsey is a big fan of rolling up your sleeves and doing it yourself. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, mowing your lawn, or learning how to patch a wall, DIY isn't just about saving money. It's about building confidence and useful skills. Why pay someone $200 for a job you can do with $20 in a YouTube video? Dave says. From basic home repairs to haircuts and even simple car maintenance, doing things yourself can save you thousands over time. With endless free tutorials online, there's no excuse not to try. Your wallet and your skill set will thank you. Habit number 10, stay out of stores unless necessary. Dave Ramsey's final frugal living tip is straightforward. Stay out of stores, both physical and online, unless you absolutely need something. The more you put yourself in the path of temptation, the more likely you are to make unnecessary purchases. Shopping is fun, but it's also a budget killer. Dave says, the key is to avoid wandering through aisles or scrolling through online stores without a clear purpose. The less time you spend browsing, the less you'll spend overall. Remember, if you don't need it, don't buy it. Keeping unnecessary shopping to a minimum can have a huge impact on your finances. And there you have it, 10 of Dave Ramsey's best frugal habits to save money and build wealth. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time. Stay frugal.